How many times have you said this? I'll start exercising on January 1st. And then January comes and nothing changes. Waiting feels safe, but waiting is exactly why most people never start. If you're watching this today, you are not late. You are right on time. Today we're going to do something simple, safe, slow, and effective. No rushing, no pressure. You move at your own pace. If you need to rest, you rest. If you need support, you use it. All that matters is that you're here. Let's begin. Sit comfortably on your chair, feet flat on the floor, hands resting lightly on your thighs. This movement helps you stand up with ease, climb stairs safely, and protect your knees and hips. Today, we'll do 25 repetitions of this movement slowly and at your own pace. Slowly lean forward just a little and stand up. Pause. Now slowly sit back down. We're not rushing. We're moving calmly, breathing normally. If this feels difficult, you can use your hands for support. Every repetition counts. At your pace, continue standing up and sitting down slowly, steady, controlled, breathing normally, and relax. Take a breath. That was good work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Notice how your legs feel right now. You didn't rush, you didn't force anything, you showed up, and that matters. If this feels manageable, stay with me. We're building strength gently, one step at a time. Now stay standing and lightly hold the back of the chair for support. This exercise strengthens your ankles, improves balance, and helps prevent falls. Today we'll do 25 repetitions of this exercise, slow and controlled. If standing feels uncomfortable, you can do this seated. Slowly lift your heels, feel your body rise, then gently lower them back down, slow, controlled, breathing normally. Balance improves when we give it attention. Continue lifting and lowering your heels at your own pace. Steady, calm, in control, and relax. Let your feet rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Balance doesn't improve overnight. It improves through moments like this. Quiet practice, gentle effort. If you know someone who struggles with balance, remember this moment. What you're doing right now is meaningful. Let's continue. Sit back down comfortably. Slowly extend one leg forward. Hold for a moment, then lower it back down. Switch sides. This exercise supports walking, stability, and daily confidence. Today we'll do 25 repetition total, moving slowly and smoothly. No locking the knee, just smooth movement. If one side feels weaker, that's normal. We're not judging, we're strengthening. Continue extending and lowering each leg slowly. Breathe normally, move smoothly, and relax. Let your legs rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Take a breath. That's it. You've done enough for today. You didn't wait for January. You didn't wait for motivation. You showed up, and that's how strength really begins. Quietly, calmly, one small step at a time. If you know a senior who needs this, share this with them and come back tomorrow. We'll keep building together.